Robert Kiyosaki is recognized for his outspoken views on investments and his advice on the optimal strategies to amass and expand your wealth. Depending solely on your conventional 9-to-5 job will be insufficient to fulfill your needs and sustain your lifestyle. Given this reality, it's recommended to divert your focus towards investing in assets, and Kiyosaki offers an expanded perspective, divulging 7 investments that he highly endorses. Welcome to Nova Society, where personal finance reigns supreme. If you haven't subscribed yet, come aboard and join our community. The true pathway to achieving wealth isn't solely through earning a substantial salary, rather, it involves generating income and leveraging your acquired funds to acquire assets that generate returns. Constructing assets that liberate you from constant labor and establishing generational wealth are paramount goals. Now we'll delve into the 7 essential assets outlined in the timeless personal finance book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Commodities. Commodities, as an asset class, are indispensable. Necessities such as food for sustenance, energy for transportation and trade, and precious metals for wealth preservation highlight their significance. Furthermore, they serve as a hedge against rising inflation. So, it's just right to diversify your portfolio with investments in commodities, which tend to stay the same during challenging times when other assets falter. According to Kiyosaki, mainstream teachings about long-term stock market performance are like garbage, and entrepreneurs should devise their assets rather than rely on such conventional wisdom. Raw material and commodity prices fluctuate based on market dynamics. Being wise involves purchasing them at lower costs and selling them when demand surges. This principle extends to various aspects of life, including currency, oil, gold, cryptocurrencies, luxury cars, and art. For instance, gold's value surged by over 2.36% at the beginning of 2023, with a subsequent 14.55% increase over the following 2 months. Art can be an alternative asset class, often outperforming the S&P 500 over 2 decades. Notably, wealthy individuals invest in appreciating assets like rare vintage cars and luxury watches. However, a crucial rule is never to invest in things you don't comprehend, a key principle to avoid financial pitfalls. Your time. Time emerges as an irreplaceable and immeasurable asset on a global scale, with its irreversible nature underscoring its paramount importance. The age-old saying, "Time is gold," vividly encapsulates its value, particularly during youth, when its potential is most remarkable. Time's significance transcends that of money, as lost finances can be regained, but lost time remains unrecoverable, etched into history. This highlights the potency of time. The younger years offer the luxury of taking calculated risks, backed by the extended span to recuperate financial losses, whereas advancing years present no second opportunities. Thus, optimizing the utilization of time becomes pivotal for securing a prosperous retirement. For instance, an individual initiating asset accumulation and investments at the age of 20 will amass a considerably greater sum than someone commencing at 30. Even Robert Kiyosaki, a notable advocate of this principle, underscores that valuing and conserving time holds equal weight with safeguarding money. Paper assets. Robert Kiyosaki has observed a common trend among successful individuals who've amassed their wealth through 3 primary asset categories: stocks, index funds, mutual funds, and options. Wealthy people prefer stocks due to their liquidity, enabling quick conversion to cash when needed. Stocks offer future earnings and appreciation potential, sometimes including dividend stocks. The rich value paper assets, comprehending the dilution of capital, steering clear of idle savings. Instead, they invest in stocks or, preferably, index funds like the S&P 500. For those who lack the time for full-time work, Robert Kiyosaki suggests an alternative path to financial freedom that centers on disciplined spending habits. This route is more accessible for those constrained by time and finances. Such assets enable investment in others' successful ventures, accelerating escape from the 9-to-5 grind and opening avenues for additional passive income streams. However, many struggle to grasp the concept of delayed gratification linked with passive income. It's crucial to remember that patience is key, as obtaining passive income requires perseverance and steadfastness. Business. The accumulation of wealth to leave it to future generations is intrinsically tied to owning a business. Within the realm of businesses, there exist two primary avenues: embarking on the process of establishing your enterprise from the ground up or participating as an investor alongside others. On the other hand, for those inclined towards a more sustained investment horizon, stocks and real estate serve as the preferred options, particularly for passive investors. While opting to invest in your own business presents the allure of greater financial gains, it is accompanied by heightened risk. Nonetheless, this route offers boundless prospects. The act of allocating your resources to your entrepreneurial venture expands the horizons for returns, unconfined by limitations. Despite its inherent risk, this pathway fosters an environment where the growth and evolution of your endeavor can be nurtured without concerns of external ownership. The establishment of a flourishing business necessitates unwavering commitment, innovative thinking, and substantial exertion. The process of identifying a distinctive business concept and skillfully scaling it into a globally recognized entity is a challenging pursuit that demands dedication. Real estate. Real estate stands out as a favored asset among the affluent, contributing to their growing wealth. Each of us hails from varying financial backgrounds, and many individuals opt for the security of a stable job with benefits rather than risking their stability by embarking on an entrepreneurial journey. Venturing away from the safety of a job and starting a business might not be the optimal risk to take. However, this doesn't imply you're destined to spend your life laboring for others. Escaping the cycle of working for someone else is still attainable by making strategic investment choices at the opportune time in your life. When you're young and earning an average salary, the notion of investing in real estate might seem like an unattainable goal. However, this is where the concept of OPM, other people's money, comes into play, as per Robert Kiyosaki. He advocates using borrowed funds to purchase rental properties, generating an additional income stream alongside your regular job. According to Kiyosaki, you better learn real estate because that's the game. Real estate and stocks are the two arenas where taxes are minimized, a concept not widely grasped by the average person. Rental income covers mortgage payments and associated expenses, thereby increasing your financial gain. Investing in real estate also translates to reduced tax liabilities, essentially offering extra funds. As you accumulate more rental properties, your reliance on your paycheck diminishes, leading you toward financial independence. This gradual shift means your assets work for you, eliminating the need to work for money directly. With strategic planning, you can gradually cultivate various passive income streams as you progress. Digital assets. Selling information is an immensely valuable endeavor due to its unlimited scalability. Consider launching a physical clothing brand. For instance, you'd grapple with inventory management, shipping concerns, and even manual order processing. Frankly, that doesn't sound very appealing. In contrast, digital assets empower you to create something once and sell it an infinite number of times. Create a video course once and it can be sold 1,000 times over. Write a blog post and have 1,000 readers engage with it. The beauty lies in crafting and disseminating these assets, which not only boosts your business's worth but also has the potential to yield substantial wealth when harnessed strategically, especially in conjunction with social media. Each of us possesses distinct strengths. Some excel at cooking, others thrive on humor, and some possess technological prowess. Why not leverage your expertise and talents to assist those grappling with areas you excel? Sharing your skills online and getting compensated for it offers a meaningful way to make the most of your capabilities. Financial mindset. What's the use of possessing assets if you lack the financial acumen to effectively manage them? Our minds stand as the most potent asset we all possess. When cultivated, they hold the power to generate substantial wealth in what may seem like an instant. As Robert Kiyosaki puts it, an entrepreneur with no skills is a tough sell. But if you tell me the federal government will pay you $1 million per month to educate kids, suddenly, I'm very interested, because it's the federal government. By investing in self-improvement, you can witness a direct impact on your journey to building wealth. Why? Because your knowledge, value, and skills elevate, imposing your worth not just within the companies you engage with, but for the assets you acquire and nurture as well. Imagine encountering an issue with one of your assets. Equipped with enhanced capabilities, finding a solution becomes much more feasible. Prioritize productivity, invest in books, attend conferences, or seek guidance from accomplished mentors. Yes, it might demand your time, effort, and resources, but view it as an invaluable aspect of your life and the catalyst for escaping the conventional rat race. Cultivate abundant value within your zone. Kiyosaki's suggested list of 7 intelligent investments offers an excellent starting point for those aiming to initiate their venture into passive income through investments while maintaining their 9-to-5 jobs. Yet, it's crucial to recognize that these investments come with inherent risks. It's advisable to conduct thorough research on each option, despite their attractive attributes, and to identify an investment opportunity that aligns with your personal preferences and goals. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.